Here, take that. Look at it.
Your favourite bay, man. I'm not going to send you back there. You go on there every day for
Listen,
week, man.
I want to go to
You've got to do some work.
I want to go to PP.
Everybody is asking me by WhatsApp, can they go snorkeling in Phang Nga Bay?
Can't snorkel in Phang Nga Bay. We need to do a snorkeling video. Send me to PP.
No.
Send me to PP.
No. That's not what they want, man.
Listen.
Listen, look, and listen, and learn.
You can't snorkel in Phang Nga Bay. We've gone through it. Look back.
Go prove it.
Huh?
Get out there and go prove me wrong.
You want me to go out to Phang Nga Bay?
Right now.
No, but I'm not trying to prove you wrong. You're trying to prove me wrong.
So whatever, just get out there. Show them that can they snorkel
You
in Phang Nga
can't.
Bay.
It's a pointless video if I just go out there and go to Mangrove Cave, go to James Bond Island, go to Panyee. There is no snorkeling. It's pointless. It's a waste of fuel on the boat.
I'm okay. I'll pay for it.
Fine. So you want me to go to Phang Nga Bay for a
I
day
want you
tour
to do it right now.
and go? Fine. See ya.
Yeah.
Fine. Bye.
Guys, what he doesn't know is that there is a hidden snorkeling spot in Phang Nga Bay where he can see Nemo. So today, I guarantee you, by the end of this video, you're gonna see Nemo.
I found Nemo, baby! Woo! This is our first stop to prove to Sean that you cannot snorkel in Phang Nga Bay. Behind me is Mangrove Cave. And as we walk through Mangrove Cave, which we're obviously not going to snorkel in because it's dark, so you won't see anything, but there is a hidden lagoon, and we're going to go check it out and see if we can snorkel in Phang Nga Bay. Oh, I should tell you, behind the camera is Guy's son. You might have seen him on our shorts, but he's my cameraman today, and he's lovely. Right? Good. Shall we go, son?
Let's go, Jay.
Okay, let's go snorkeling. Woo! Not sure you can snorkel in a cave, that's for sure. It's quite dark. See, look. Ooh. Hidden lagoon with no water. So, this is Mangrove Lagoon, our first stop to prove to Sean that you can't snorkel in Phang Nga Bay. And I found my snorkel spot. Ready? Good!
Look at this dude. No.
Can't snorkel here. You can't see anything. It's not very good. Oh, and it stinks. It really does stink. Oh, well, I tried. It's stuck. Not good snorkeling.
It's not good snorkeling. So, can you snorkel at James Bond Island? Let's go find out!
not very good snorkeling here. It's really not. Lots of people too.
So, behind me is Koh Panyee, the floating village. Now, is there going to be much snorkeling at a floating village? I very much doubt it. However, we're going to try. Koh Panyee! So, Koh Panyee, done the market, done the football pitch, still no snorkeling. However, a little spot over there we're going to try. All right, good, let's go. So, Koh Panyee, can you snorkel here? Let's find out.
It's not good. You can't snorkel here. You can't snorkel at Koh Panyee, that's for sure.
Sean just called me. We have a secret location for a snorkel, and I'm going to take Jay to there now. Let's go.
So, we're now, what's this place called, son?
Phang Nga Island.
Phang Nga Island. So apparently, Guide Son has said that you can find Nemo here. But in all fairness, we haven't found him anywhere else. So I don't believe him. Right, let's go check it out.
Let's go.
Woo!
Now, that corner. You like it? Hee-hee!
I found Nemo!
Hee-hee!
I found Nemo, which I'm very excited about. However, it does mean Sean was right, which I'm not happy about. Anyway, I found Nemo, baby! Ha ha! I found Nemo!